Cheese Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make an easy Hainan chicken. Real quick cheats way of doing this. Alright, let's get on with it. First thing I've got is some chicken thighs, and I'm going to put that into a bowl, just like that. Okay, no rocket science to that at all. You could use a Maryland cut if you want to, but we're just going to use chicken thigh, nice and inexpensive and full of flavour. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is make up a bit of a marinade, and we're going to add in around about 2, maybe 3 tablespoons worth of soy sauce. That can go straight in, and about the same again of Chinese rice wine. That can go in as well. Okay, and give that a good stir through. Sorry if my voice and my speech sounds funny. My MS has taken a slightly different turn, and if you've been a follower of the channel, you'll know that I do have MS, and it's getting worse as we go. Right, around about 2 cloves worth of garlic paste. They can go in, and I'm going to add in about the same again of ginger paste. That can go in as well. I'm going to put that straight into our wok. That's just full of nice hot water. Okay, and we're going to make a really nice light stock with this. Okay, so just let all of that dissolve just like that. I'm going to add in a little bit of green onion as well, just the white part only. That can go straight in and is going to give us a really nice flavour. Alright, so we're going to bring that up to the boil just like that, and all we're simply going to do now is add our chicken straight into that boiling liquid, just like I'm doing right there. Very, very simple. And this is a nice way of cooking the chicken. It will come out really nice and tender, believe me. And it is probably the most simple way to cook chicken ever. So we're just going to put all those chicken thighs in. You can count how many I'll put in. I'm not going to go back and count them out for you. And all we're simply going to do now is get our lid, put it on top, turn our cooker off, and leave those for around about 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, that's all we're doing. Really, really easy. Mrs. KP is already steaming up a little bit of rice. Okay, our chicken is now poached beautifully. That is how quick this cooks, especially if you're using a chicken thigh. And as I said, this is a cheat's way of doing this dish. We're going to remove those and put them into a bowl on the side. They can come down to room temperature, and we'll slice those up into nice little thin pieces. Alright, so make sure we get all of those out, and you can see the colour of that stock. It is looking magnificent. Alright, I'm going to put our lid back on. I'm going to bring that back up to the boil again, and that is going to help get rid of or bring our impurities all to the top. So all that yucky yuck, we're going to skim that off, and just put that into a bowl for now. We can just throw that away. Just skim that like I'm doing right there, and in no time at all we're going to end up with a pretty clear stock. It's not going to be perfect, but it is going to be pretty good. Alright, there's our stock. I've cut my chicken. I've just put that into a little bit of a wire basket there. I'm just going to heat that through just a little bit. Don't need to go too dramatic. I'm going to give it one more little bit of a bath like that, and all we're going to do now is get ready to assemble our dish, this really easy Hainan chicken. Okay, so giving that a little bit of a warm through, a little bit of sesame oil on top, maybe a teaspoon's worth maximum, because sesame oil is pretty strong. So just do that. We're going to take that back out, and I'm going to start plating up any second now. That stock is looking really, really really good. Okay, so all we're simply going to do with our steamed rice, we're going to lay our chicken down next to it, just like that. And if you haven't had Hainan chicken before, you don't know what you're missing. It is one of my favourite dishes of all time, and I originally had this at Fat Noodle for the first time years ago at Philip Nguyen's little restaurant at the Star Casino. Put a little bit of your stock over the top, and that's going to soak into the rice and keep our rice just nice and lubricated, so it will go down the throat really nice and easy. Last thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of spring onion tops over the top, or scallion tops over the top, and before you know it, you have made in around about 30 minutes maybe your own Hainan chicken. How easy was that? Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for putting up with me and the way my MS has taken a bit of a different turn. Love to see you try and make this one at home. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. I love reading and responding to them. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We're trying to get the name of KB's Kingdom out there. Anyway, in the meantime, I'm off to eat my easy Hainan chicken, and if you want to learn how to make a nice easy recipe like this, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, I will catch you next time. Bye.